Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about women's health and beauty care after their 40s. As we age, our bodies undergo several changes, and we need to take special care of our health and beauty to look and feel our best. So, in this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks that can help women take care of their health and beauty in their 40s and beyond. Eat a balanced diet. As we age, our bodies require more nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to maintain overall health. Therefore, it's important to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's also essential to limit your intake of processed and sugary foods and alcohol, which can have adverse effects on your health and skin. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for good health and healthy-looking skin. As we age, our skin tends to lose moisture, leading to dryness and wrinkles. Therefore, it's essential to stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin looking plump and youthful. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can do wonders for your health and beauty. It can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce stress, improve cardiovascular health, and boost mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming, 5 days a week. Take care of your skin. As we age, our skin loses elasticity, becomes thinner, and may develop age spots and wrinkles. Therefore, it's essential to take care of your skin by using sunscreen with at least SPF 30, moisturizing regularly, and using products that contain retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Get regular checkups. It's essential to get regular checkups, including a mammogram, pap smear, and bone density test, to detect and prevent any health problems. Consult your doctor if you experience any changes in your body or health. Manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your health and skin, leading to premature aging and other health problems. Therefore, it's essential to manage stress by practicing relaxation techniques, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing, and taking time for self-care. So, that's it for today's video on women's health and beauty care after their 40s. Remember, taking care of your health and beauty is a lifelong process, and it's never too late to start. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help you look and feel your best at any age. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.